Hello. So I thought I would record this quickly because I mentioned it, don't know when, in one of my recent updates, my natural skincare routine, I guess you could call it, that I do. I found this years ago and I've been doing it pretty much since then. I don't like spending a lot of money on, skin products and popular things and designer brands and etc. etc. I feel like it's a waste, my opinion. I'm entitled to it. Anyway, I found this and I liked the thought of using natural products, as in, I mean, it's not fully natural because sugar's involved, white sugar, and that's not natural. But as in, I guess, ingredients that are just found in the household, basically. And Panda's just going to interrupt because he's on my notebook where I've written a few notes so I don't forget. So anyway, he's a little cheeky one. So yeah, it's kind of natural. It's what I call natural skincare routine. So firstly, you just put your hair back and just rinse your face off with warm water, and then you use I would say around a teaspoon of honey, and you can use organic or manuka if you choose to, or you can just use whatever you have in the cupboard. It does not matter, it's personal choice. Getting distracted by Panda, he's so cute. And so you use that with just a little bit of water to dilute it slightly, and you use that as your cleanser. So you just rub it in everywhere exactly as you would with a cleanser, and then rinse it off with warm water. And then you fill just like a bowl or something with boiling hot water. I like to use a hand towel because I don't want a full towel over my head. So you put the water in the bowl and you lean over it exactly as you would if you were trying to get, steam in, unblock your nose or in your throat and chest and etc. But you only do it for 2 minutes. Don't do it for any longer than 2 minutes because it's quite hot. And I like to use a hand towel so that when I put it over my head, it's open a little bit. Otherwise, it's pretty intense. So that's, to open your pores and stuff. And then you use Panda. He's jumping out at one of the other cats. And then you use, it says 2 tablespoons of sugar, just normal white sugar, normal granules, not the caster sugar, not the really fine one. It's got to be the little, like normal sugar, the bigger bits. So you mix 2 tablespoons of that with 1 tablespoon of warm water, and you mix that well, and then you put that all over your face, neck, wherever you need it, and do gentle circular motion. And that is your exfoliating scrub, whatever it's called. And sorry, itchy head. I've got psoriasis on it. And then you rinse that off well with warm water. And then you mix, just let me check to make sure I've got it right. I don't want to give the wrong information. 1 egg white and 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix that all together. I use the same little dish for all of this. I just rinse it between, just like a little ramekin. Mix all that together. You put all that all over your face. It is a little bit messy. I like to have the hand towel I used over my head. Just put it, around your neck and your collarbone, etc., shoulders, to try and get a bit of it that will run down, because it's not a really thick consistency as a mud mask or something would be. Keanu, no baby, don't jump across. Cats. So yeah, about 20 minutes you leave that on for, and then you rinse that off really well with warm water, and then you just give your face a splash with cold water, pat it dry, and then you use your, whatever your moisturiser is. I like to use, it's not expensive and I like it. Just my choice. So that's the one I use. It's just the normal to dry skin, and that's the one I use in the morning. So I don't, after this, if I did this skin care routine, I would use the night one because I would most likely do it at night. So I use fractionated coconut oil. This is an Australian company and I like their stuff. It's good quality. Guys, can you not? So yeah, fractionated coconut oil is like a dry coconut oil, if that makes sense. Like your skin absorbs it quite quickly. If you use a lot of coconut oils. Sorry, I've got something in my tooth that's annoying me. If you use a lot of coconut oils, it leaves a really oily feeling to your skin, and I personally don't like that. So I love the fractionated coconut oil. It's just a little bit more expensive. But that bottle lasts me quite a while. I have to use that behind my ears and in my ears because I get psoriasis quite bad in there. So the nighttime moisturiser I use is the same brand, but this one is I think it's coconut and castor oil or something like that. It says on the box. So that's the, I think a lot of people call it the pink cream. This one, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, all day hydration, light and non-greasy. Don't know why, just like to use that one at night. I use the other one in the day because that's SPF 15 broad spectrum UV protection. But with my nighttime one, I also mix in maybe 4 to 5 drops of rose hip oil in the same brand, Oil Garden, and that goes in my one for nighttime, and then I put that everywhere. That's all I do. That's it. And I'm not joking about any of this. I do use honey. Panda. I do use honey, the sugar, the lemon juice, the egg, all of it. And my face feels absolutely fantastic afterwards. It feels so clean and so fresh and just soft and beautiful. That's what I do. And that's it. So if you try it and it works and you like it, let me know, because I'd be interested just to see other people's opinions on it. I'm not sure if I've ever shared it with anyone, to be honest. As I said, I found it years ago and I've been using it since, and I love it. It doesn't cost much money. I've normally got this stuff in the cupboard. The cream, the moisturizers and oils, etc. last quite a while. Obviously, you know, genetically, I do have quite good skin, except for my psoriasis. But yeah, I don't really have oily skin or dry skin, as I said, except for the psoriasis side of it. And I've been very lucky and I've never really had any issues with acne or I don't know, I was going to say something else and it's just gone. So yeah, I've been very lucky there. So it may not work well for people with certain skin conditions or certain skin, I was going to say tones, that doesn't make sense. Skin, skin types, you know what I mean? Whether it's oily, dry, etc., combination, all that stuff. I'm not sure. I'm just talking about for me personally. But that's why I'd be very interested to know how it works for somebody else. Anyway, just thought I'd do this. Why not? Okay, bye.